You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce this word from French that is also used in English. In English it's normally said as touché. It's used in different sports, or when you say that you have a point, you can say touché. Now in French it's said as touché, touché. Literally it means touched. Touché, touché, touché. Not touché, but touché. That's it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, really. Thanks for that, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.